Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix there has been an error in the Microsoft Store when trying to install new applications. So if you're getting this error message when you're trying to install a new app, then to go and fix this, we first just need to open up the Start menu, search for the word Services, and then click on the Services window. Then scroll down this list until you see the Microsoft Store install service, and you need to double click on this. Make sure the startup type is set to automatic, and then click on this stop button and give that a couple of seconds. Click on apply and OK, and then double click on this service again and click on the start button to go and resume this service. Then press OK. You can then close out of this window, head over to the Start menu and search for Settings and click on the Settings window. In the left-hand side, select Apps, click on Installed Apps, scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page and you'll see something called System Components. Click on this. Then scroll down to Microsoft Store and click on the 3 horizontal dots. Click on Advanced Options, scroll down again. Next to Reset, click on Repair. Once that's finished, we can click on this Reset button and click on Reset. You can then close out of this window, head over to the Start menu and search for Run. Click on the Run icon and type in wsreset.exe and press Enter. Now that should bring up the Microsoft Store, and from here you can go and search for the application that you were trying to download, and you can try re-downloading and installing it, and it should now fix that issue. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.